Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy wickets in cricket. This method focuses on a highly effective bowling strategy combined with smart field placement. By understanding and exploiting the AI's tendencies, you can consistently dismiss batsmen. We will cover the exact delivery to use, the optimal field settings, and how to execute this technique for maximum success. Get ready to dominate the opposition. The core of this strategy is a full, in-swinging delivery. You want to aim for a length that pitches just outside the off stump, swinging back sharply into the right-handed batsman. This line and length are incredibly difficult for the AI to handle, frequently leading to the ball hitting the pads or crashing into the stumps. It's a high-reward delivery that puts immense pressure on the batter. To complement our unplayable delivery, strategic field placement is crucial. Set an attacking field with 2 slips and a gully to catch any edges. A short leg or leg gully can also be very effective for quick, close-in catches. Additionally, ensure you have a mid-off and mid-on to cut off easy singles, building pressure and forcing the AI to take risks. This field maximizes your chances. Mastering this technique requires consistent practice. Spend time in the nets perfecting your line and length for that in-swinging delivery. Pay close attention to how the AI batsmen react. Sometimes minor adjustments are needed. The key is repetition and maintaining pressure. By consistently executing this strategy, you will find yourself taking wickets with remarkable ease, turning the game in your favor every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.